Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for XLM Stellar targets updates with my customer setup. What's going on now? So, guys, the market now kind of a little bit recover back, and some tokens pump it. But I just my personal feelings. I think in the next 5 or 7 days we will see one more drop on a BTC. And alts will bleed more because the BTC dominance will go higher. So this is my personal opinion. So just be careful. All targets for BTC I showed you. So I highly recommend you go and check the video, what you will find in under the description below. So the liquidation heat map now for the XLM now, of course, it's over than 52. The main liquidation pool, it's over than 52 cents. Now it's around like 1.06 billion. Of course, you have to understand when we see some numbers like 1.06 billion liquidation, it doesn't mean all of that guys will be liquidated. Some of them will close their position step by step here. No, it doesn't mean they can't just remove their position or cut some losses or fix some realized losses, right? And wait when they will see the full position liquidation. Of course not. Weekly time frame, guys. If we check it's on a Binance, by the way. It's not a accumulative liquidation. It's only on the Binance. Imagine the liquidation also above it's 42 cents. It's a weekly time frame, 43. So basically, it looks like under these levels, like 36 cents, there is no liquidations. So it's give us some information. So maybe will not drop that low. Here's also that 24-hour liquidation on a Binance. It can be 77 million liquidation at 42 cents. What I would like to show you now, it's a global chart. So XLM pumped a pretty good one. Since June, we bounced it pretty good one and hold the line strong. I'm still waiting. So XLM will be one of that old tokens, because yes, it's really old tokens from that XRP era. Here's a top on the line chart. It looks like also like this one, and take a look. This top was equal than this one, so it means I'm more than sure we're gonna hit over than 71 cents. Of course, the time for accumulation being here, because I showed you on the Binance. Here's a top 20-cent block. Now we rejected 0.5 and try breaking out 38. But I think anyway, with even with that liquidation heat map, I think we'll drop a little bit lower. Lower, I mean to 34 or maybe even to 29 cents. I don't think so. We will drop and grab that liquidity, the perfect retest of zero level of that FEEP. No, I don't think so. We'll see something like this move or even this one. No, I don't think so, because we don't have enough time for alts, because I believe in October, November will be the top for some altcoins. Some altcoins will hit the new all-time high. If not, it means the cycle will be extended and the 4 years BTC model can be broke, and maybe we'll see that some 26, also the green one, and everybody will scream and we're going to 250K to 501 million again. And some alts will hit the last high in spring 2026. That's why we don't have too much times, for altcoins. But the target's relevant. And I believe, sooner or later we're gonna sweep this high, like 64 cents, retest and break this finally, just in theory, trend line, downtrend line, and we'll go to over than $1. Imagine the hype in media when the XLM, maybe with some fundamental partnership, some upgrades, they will bring in media some hype, some hopium to put the price higher. Everybody again screen we go for like the same for XRP. We go into $100 again. You can open the YouTube, type XRP price prediction and find the millions just videos about XRP $100 confirmed, $10 confirmed, $20 confirmed. The same story will be about XLM. I told you, as predicted, $1 confirmed at $5. It's just the beginning. We out of some consolidation, and people will show you the parabolic move to the $5 for sure. But I think, yes, the sweep of this high, maybe a little bit higher, and this can be the end of cycle for XLM. Above, if we check the monthly time frame, I don't think so we should drop to the fulfill again like 10 cents. I don't think so we will see so bearish sentiment. I think would be good to test 32, maybe 28, and September maybe sideways, October, November, new highs. So it's more than real to see. So for example, this candle was like 600%. Imagine 600% in November. So here, from this prices is like 135% to 96 cents, for example. But $1 will be like a magnet, for the people. Why we can see the a little bit higher? Because imagine how many people will add the limit orders to sell, to fix a profit, even on the spot at $1, maybe at 99 cents. How many people will add the short position at $1? And that, guys, will be liquidated with some weak candle. Definitely take a look this week. 54 and 92, so 40 cents week. Imagine here the 40 cents week, so it can be even here. That's why, guys, be careful with the position. Better react in the moment and not gamble with limit orders now, because market's so unpredictable. For this moment, I believe, we will saw the buyback. Horrible scenario if we form something like, double bottom, 1, 2, and the size anyway of this double bottom signal is, so we should go higher, should go to a new all-time high. Of course, I can be absolutely wrong, so just be careful with XLM, your global some targets. If you only try accumulate now, XLM, time for accumulation being inside 27 block. ADZ, I can show the direction, guys. Take a look. The main accumulation, all this period in zone 22, June, zone 24 accumulation. Now nothing on the weekly. Monthly, we never been at the top. That's why I think would be good to see the top area on XLM, and whale's gonna fix their profit again. Market smooth on the monthly. If we compare the previous cycles, guys, take a look. The first cycle here, top. Let's mark like this one. So we're not at the level of area of January 18, and not even at the level of area of zone 21. So we got a like limited move to the high, but guys, it's showing us also the information like we got a limitation by growth. So it can be this move, and we're going down. That's the point, guys. Don't build a crazy expectation. And it can be this top, even higher than zone 21, and drop. It's monthly time frame, guys. Time to buy was here in the capitulation. We never seen the capitulation on XLM ever. June zone 24, September zone 24, October zone 24. Since June till October, it was the best time to buy XLM. That's the point. Take a look the money power, guys, on a monthly. Main money inflow been here in June zone 22. MACD bullish, the variance monthly. Now we not so far from the top of the top, like it was here, like it was here, like it was here. But I think we can see the top and another top. So it can be the break and another high and going down. So this is my take for XLM. Now here's a money outflow. Now we're at the top, but without any money outflow. It's good one. Take profit, guys, indicator here. We can retest the above the exit line 31 cents 41. This will be the best case, for us now. Take profit above test 27.78. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line on the weekly. No, daily. Now daily buy line 21.22. I don't think so. We drop that low, but I think we will retest the buy line on the 12 time frame. Now it's 23.61. In the next maybe week, I think the buy line on 12 time frame will be around 30 cents, and we will retest it and can go higher. So that's the point, guys. If we check the net inflow into XLM on the daily, guys, I want to show you this one. So we don't see a lot of crazy inflows. So like you can see, of course, a lot of outflow, it means the price so speculated price. So almost zero net inflow, right? But looks like everybody's selling it. Sell it, but distribute their back step by step. Unfortunately, we can't see the data over than March, but could be interesting to see some money inflow now, net flow at like 6 million. But this is not what we're looking for. Liquidations, guys. More people now in long position. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap this in a comment. What do you think about XLM? Will we hit the new all-time high or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer, I will show it in this video. Just write my DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.